Hey, what's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Today I'm going to be showing you a free and easy way to actually edit your videos really quickly. There are quite a few different types of software out there that you can actually edit videos, but I like this one because it is free. And let's get right into it. It's called Capcut. Okay, once you've signed in, you're going to see a couple different things here. New video, clip to video, script to video, long video to short, product URL to add. So you can actually change URLs to add. Here are a couple different templates down here. We're not really going to do that. I'm actually going to upload my own video, which I've already done. And come to this screen, and I'm going to upload a video real quick and be right back. A little bit, pull some things out of frame. I don't really want certain things in frame, and drag that down a little bit. So there we go. So right there, we took care of a couple of things real quick. Just got a couple of the tabs out of the way. I didn't want to see all that kind of stuff. The easiest way, okay, yes, you can definitely go down here and you can, scroll around, and then you can cut different things and move things around. The easiest way is to go to Transcript on the left. Transcript-based editing, hit transcribe. You can see that it's transcribing everything in the video right now. Once the transcription is done, you'll see that it shows right up here on the left, and you're going to see different things like 0.4 seconds. That is the time that I actually didn't say anything. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to delete that silence time, right? So you'll see different things down here, just like I just said, or another dead air silent spot right here. I'm going to cut that out. So you can see how quickly and easily I can actually go ahead and just click certain things, delete it, and I don't have to be down here cutting and moving things around, all that kind of stuff, which makes it super easy and really easy for the beginner. So right here I have a filler word, which I tend to say a lot. I'm going to click that, hit delete. There we go. You have a restore option as well, okay? You can play each section just to listen to it, or you can dump the entire section altogether. But that, to me, is the fastest and easiest way that you can actually edit a video for free, okay? If you wanted to add elements, they're right here. Elements are just basically little types of maybe GIFs or photos that you want to add in there. Different types of audio is here if you want to throw in some text. Captioning, which is great, effects, transitions in between. Play with all that stuff. All this stuff here is basically just frosting on the cake, okay? Really, you want to get this video edited as quickly as possible, as efficiently as possible, and get it out on YouTube or whatever platform that you're on. If you have any questions, or if you want to see more about Capcut, let me know in the comments below. Other than that, have a great day.